The turkey is a large bird in the genus Meleagris. Native to North America, there are two extant turkey species: the wild turkey of eastern and central North America and the ocellated turkey of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Males of both turkey species have a distinctive fleshy wattle, called a snood, that hangs from the top of the beak. They are among the largest birds in their ranges. As with many large ground-feeding birds, the male is bigger and much more colorful than the female. The earliest turkeys evolved in North America over 20 million years ago, and they share a recent common ancestor with grouse, pheasants, and other fowl. Turkeys are classed in the family Phasianidae in the taxonomic order Galliformes. The genus Meleagris is the only extant genus in the subfamily Meleagridae, formerly known as the family Meleagridae, but now subsumed within the family Phasianidae. Turkeys were domesticated in ancient Mexico for food and for their cultural and symbolic significance. The Aztecs, for example, had a name for the turkey, Wueh Zolotl of Tenochtitlan, noting there were tamales made of turkeys, iguanas, chocolate, vegetables, fruits and more. The ancient people of Mexico had not only domesticated the turkey, but had developed sophisticated recipes including these ingredients, many used to this day. There are two theories for the derivation of the name turkey, both of which may be correct. According to Columbia University professor of Romance languages Mario Pei, one theory is that when Europeans first encountered turkeys in America, they incorrectly identified the birds as a type of guinea fowl, which were already being imported into Europe by turkey merchants via Constantinople and were therefore nicknamed turkey coqs. The name of the North American bird thus became turkey fowl or Indian turkeys, which was then shortened to just turkeys. A second theory arises from turkeys coming to England not directly from the Americas, but via merchant ships from the Middle East, where they were domesticated successfully. Again, the importers lent the name to the bird, hence turkey cocks and turkey hens, and soon thereafter, turkeys. In 1550, the English navigator William Strickland, who had introduced the turkey into England, was granted a coat of arms including a turkey cock in his pride proper. William Shakespeare used the term in Twelfth Night, believed to be written in 1601 or 1602. The lack of context around his usage suggests that the term was already widespread. Other languages have other names for turkeys. Many of these names incorporate an assumed Indian origin, such as Dund in Turkish. These are thought to arise from the supposed belief of Christopher Columbus that he had reached India rather than the Americas on his voyage. In Portuguese, a turkey is a peru. The name is thought to derive from the country Peru. Several other birds that are sometimes called turkeys are not particularly closely related. The brush turkeys are megapods, and the bird sometimes known as the Australian turkey is the Australian bustard. The aninga is sometimes called the water turkey, from the shape of its tail when the feathers are fully spread for drying. An infant turkey is called a chick or poult. Turkeys have been known to be aggressive toward humans and pets in residential areas. Wild turkeys have a social structure and pecking order, and habituated turkeys may respond to humans and animals as they do to another turkey. Habituated turkeys may attempt to dominate or attack people that the birds view as subordinates. The town of Brookline, Massachusetts, recommends that citizens be aggressive toward the turkeys, take a step toward them and not back down. Brookline officials have also recommended making noise, popping open an umbrella, shouting and waving your arms, squirting them with a hose, allowing your leashed dog to bark at them, and forcefully fending them off with a broom. A number of turkeys have been described from fossils. The Meleagridae are known from the early Miocene. The former is probably a basal turkey. The other a more contemporary bird not very similar to known turkeys. Both were much smaller birds. A turkey fossil not assignable to genus but similar to Meleagris is known from the late Miocene of Westmoreland County, Virginia. In the modern genus Meleagris, a considerable number of species have been described. As turkey fossils are robust and fairly often found, and turkeys show great variation among individuals, many of these supposed fossilized species are now considered junior synonyms. 1. The well-documented California turkey Meleagris californica became extinct recently enough to have been hunted by early human settlers. It has been suggested that its demise was due to the combined pressures of human hunting and climate change at the end of the last glacial period. The Oligocene fossil Meligris antiquus was first described by Othniel Charles Mars in 1871. It has since been